All right, so just get comfortable for a second. I've spent many years studying Qigong and Tai Chi and learning like the yin flow of things. So we're gonna do a little yin, we're gonna do a little yin womb meditation. Chantal's gonna give us a nice deep womb drum beat. You're gonna put your right hand over your womb, or where that space is, your left hand over your right. You sit up nice and tall, close your eyes. You're gonna take a nice deep breath. You're gonna inhale through your nose. And as you inhale, and do this at your own pace, everyone has a different breath, but as you inhale, imagine chi, life force, energy, whatever it needs to be in your head to make sense, and whatever it looks like for you. Just imagine it coming in through your third eye, bringing it into your body and down into your womb. There's an energy center here. It's your lower dantian, and it surrounds your womb space. So let this chi come in, and as you exhale, any stagnant chi, any bad juju, any uncomfort or discomfort or anything, just let it come up through your body and out the very tip of your head, the zenith point. And just let it fall to the earth. It'll compost, become clean chi again, but just let it fall to the earth around you. And each inhale, bring that clean chi in, bring it down into your womb. And as you exhale, any junk, stagnant, whatever, is just gonna come up and out through the crown of the head. You're just gonna keep doing this inhale and exhale until you're running clean, clear chi through your womb. And as you're doing this, tap into that womb space. Hold that space in love. This is the center. This is your battery. Even in Taoist, all of the old writings, this is the battery. This is really where everything is charged from. So as you're holding this space, feel good energy, love, compassion, empathy, all of those things, caring, kindness, forgiveness. Bring that into this space. Give your body thanks for whatever happened, for whatever has happened, for the lessons, the love. And tap into this creative center. This is the center of creation. And again, it doesn't matter if the actual physical organs are there. This is men, women, everybody in between, doesn't matter. This is that center of creation. And just imagine that creation center filling up good energy, loved, cared for, tended to, like a beautiful garden, really just blooming, blossoming. And then think about that time in winter when it's dormant and quiet and the seeds are germinating below ground. And feel the love of that calm, quiet rest just as much as that beautiful, full blossomed garden. And see those seasons cycling in this creation space. And see the beauty of each season. And one is not better than the other. And there's no judgment of rest. In fact, it's completely necessary and respected and honored. And keep that beautiful chi coming in and clearing out any negative thoughts or emotions that might be coming up. Letting them just come right out of your body. And just let them compost into rich, fertile soil again. We're going to take 3 nice deep breaths in as a group. So inhale. deep inhale. Create that circle. One more time, inhale. See that circle for above us. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your breath back into your body. We have this sacred circle. Everything in here is ours. It's for us. There's no such thing as TMI. There's no such thing as dumb questions, wrong questions. None of that. This is absolutely a safe place. Everyone is loved and respected. Bring your attention back into your own womb space. You're going to take 3 breaths at your own pace, and just imagine that womb space, that lower dantian, filling up perfectly. Not too full, not too empty, but perfectly full, charged and ready to take you on your journeys. And when you finish your last deep breath, come back to center and release the hands. Just wiggle your fingers, maybe roll out your shoulders a little bit. Shake it out. And when you're ready, open your eyes.